welcome to this short introduction how to log in pharmacy.com. Just click on login, enter your username, enter your password and log in. And with logging in, you are able to switch to the preferred database or to enter your search string in our Google-like search. Perhaps drug pricing tool and Tab might be something interesting to you. Then you are now in the drug pricing database. You have a result list with the most important information on one site. And just by clicking on the PZN, which is the unique ID, you get the different pricing and legal information, references, data of validity, and also the possibility to jump into other databases. Thank you very much for your time. There you are.